Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a special method for stir-frying leafy greens. You just need to master one simple trick. With this method, the greens will turn out crisp, tender and delicious, with a vibrant green color and no excess water. First, separate the Shanghai bok choy leaf by leaf. Next, prepare a basin of clean water and add a spoonful of baking soda, then stir it with your hand until it dissolves. Put the separated greens into the water. Adding baking soda to the water helps remove pesticide residues from the vegetables. Wash each leaf of the Shanghai bok choy thoroughly. Finally, rinse them clean under running water. After washing, use a knife to gently smash the stems of the bok choy. This way, the greens will absorb more flavor when stir-fried and taste even better. Once smashed, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare 50 cents worth of pork belly and slice it thinly. After slicing, place it on a plate. Prepare a few cloves of garlic and slice them as well. After slicing, put them on a plate. Cut 4 small chili peppers into rings. Cut a few stalks of green onion into sections. Next, add a little oil to the wok, then add the greens. Stir-fry them a few times. Add a little salt and continue to stir-fry evenly. The salt will help draw out the moisture from the greens. This way, the color stays bright green and the texture is crisp. Stir-fry for about 1 minute, and that's enough. Okay, take them out and set aside. No need to add oil to the wok. Add the sliced pork belly and stir-fry until the fat is rendered out. This will make the greens more fragrant. If you don't have fatty pork, you can also add some lard. Once the pork slices turn slightly yellow, scoop them out along with the rendered oil. Then add the garlic slices and small chili peppers and stir-fry over low heat until fragrant. Next, pour in the greens and stir-fry evenly. Now for the seasoning, add a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of chicken bouillon, a little bit of sugar to enhance the flavor. Then turn the heat to high and stir-fry, making sure everything is evenly cooked and fragrant, and to bring out the wok aroma. This way, the greens won't release any excess water. The color is bright green and looks especially appealing. Finally, add the scallion sections and stir-fry everything together evenly. Alright, take it out of the wok and plate it up. A simple and delicious stir-fried greens dish is ready. Just looking at it makes you hungry. It smells amazing. I wouldn't trade it even for braised pork. Serve this to your guests, and everyone will praise you as a master chef. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.